Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Nathanie. You know who it is, you know. You clicked on this video. You know who it is. Anyways, hi guys. If you are new to the family, please be sure to subscribe and to like, comment, and just, you know, click the bell button as well so you can be notified every time I do upload, which is every Friday at 12:30. I don't know how I forget it because I don't know. Anyways, so today we'll be doing a get ready with me. I don't think I did much talking, but we did a date, like a date. It's not a date night, it's like in the day. So it's a date day, a day date, a day date. There we go. Sometimes I just don't understand. So this is the makeup look that we went with. The eyelashes are very dramatic. You can definitely opt out for like smaller lashes, but I'm just extra. And you also need to know that, well, the person that you're going on a date with also needs to know that you are that bitch. Like, I don't care. Like, if you like beating your face, don't stop on his account. No, carry on beating that face. He needs to know what you look like when you put work in, you know. He needs to know that he has a gem on his arm, you know. So this is the makeup look I did today. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please be sure to carry on watching. I already have done my brows, concealed them, blah blah, and also primed my face. I was using the Ordinary High Adhesive Primer. I don't know if it's gonna, anyways, that's what I use, but everything will be down below as well. And I am not in the mood to, oh yeah, side note, how good do my brows look? Like, every once in a while I have a very good brow day, but today it's one of those days. So I guess we should get started. I don't know if I should do my eyelids first and then do my foundation, or I think I'm gonna just do, let's do foundation first. I don't know if I want to do that. No, let's do eyes first. We're already here. So I'm just gonna prime my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Sand. So today I will be using the OG Morphe 35O palette, and let me just get a brush. So I'm just going to set my concealer with this shade here. So I'm going to just English, Nathanie, English. I'm just going to be using these two shades right here, like I always do, just for my crease, and yeah, just for my crease. So those two shades. And then now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to darken the outer corners. And I'm just going to clean up the edges with this shade right here. I should put some glitter. I feel like I want glitter, so I'm going to glitter. I'm in the mood, so I'm gonna zoom. Okay, so I'm just going to be using my fingers. I'm going to be mixing this shade right here and this gold shade on top here. I really just like applying like shimmers with my fingers. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh, that's, yes. then just go in with your transition colors again, and then just smooth everything out again. That's how quickly I went from I'm gonna have a simple glam to like shimmer eyes. But anyways, it's whatever, it don't matter. So right now I'm just going to be using my Maybelline the Volume Express, sorry, and I'm just going to prep my lashes for falsies. Okay, so while my lashes dry, we're gonna put on foundation. So today I'll be mixing the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay foundation in the shade Chestnut and my OG LA Girl Pro Conceal foundation in bronze. Love doing recently is with my foundation, I like to buff it in with a brush first and then go back into it with a foundation brush. I mean a Real Technique sponge. And then now that I'm done, I will be going in with my beauty blender. And I'm just pouncing out the excess. My concealer in Warm Sand again. And I'm just going to highlight all the spots. And then going in with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder, I'm going to set my eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to be using my Very Ratchet bronzer from LA Girl. Oh, I don't know. It's LA Girl Blush Collection in Glam. And I've been using this bronzer. I think I'm going to, like month end, when I have like money, I'll probably buy the Makeup Revolution powder one and see how that goes and try it out. I'm really having such a good day with my makeup. And then we're gonna go in with the OG, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And we're gonna be using these three shades, which is Golden Bronze, Bubbly, and Dripping in Gold. I'm just going to put on my lashes off camera, and then I'll come back on camera, and then we will put on a lip together, and I'll be right back. So I am back, my lashes are on, and now we're about to get into this lippy. We're probably just gonna do what we normally do, you know, we are creatures of habit, you know. So I'm just going to line my lips with the Essence long lasting eyeliner, eye pencil in Hot Chocolate. This is like my go-to like lip combo. So this is the finished look.